Alright guys, 2013 Chevy Cruze. It has 84,000 miles, and these are the codes that this particular Cruze have. And the ones that you see with the star is highlighted: ECU software update and coolant relay. It's the one that keeps coming back up. Customers, let me do it this way so that way you guys can see what I see. So somewhere along the line, this is no good. You got the wirings just exposed. You got all of this like this. It has a grounding issue. The P480 code with the coolant switch relay, it's a grounding problem, and then the software updates. The PCM, high voltage, low voltage, the heated vents, the radio lost communication, the HO2, the knock sensor, lost communication to the electronic brake system, ignition accessory short, low voltage for the PCM, left and right impact sensors, lost communication with body control modular, radio again, immobilizer sensor system. But this is the average root air system, the ambient air temperature sensor, also PCM voltage low, PCM voltage high, ECU software security code, which hasn't been put in, the heated vents, and the radio communication. The IC system is the one that keeps coming back up. And you do a preliminary, and you see this, which you start to worry about it, and then you look at the fuse box. It's not even put in. You guys can see down there.